Chapter 4, the Vijaynagar and Bahmani Kingdoms, Part 2. So we are going the causes of the disintegration of Tughlaq Empire. So number 3 point, centralized monarchy. See, Tughlaq dynasty, like the previous dynasties, was a centralized monarchy which could work only under strong and able rulers. So this Tughlaq dynasty, like the previous dynasty also, it can work with the previous dynasty was a centralized monarchy which could work only under the strong and able rulers. Okay, the weak and incompetent rulers became tools in the hands of powerful nobles. The rulers, the weak and incompetent, not very competent. So that type of ruler was were in the hand of the powerful nobles. They could not save the empire from disintegration. They could not save the empire from the disintegration or from the destroyed part. Okay. Weakening of military power. Number 4 point. The Delhi Sultanate was a military state which could survive on the force and efficiency of its military organization. In the times of the weak rulers, the army ceased to be an instrument of force. So weakening of the military power. The military power was going to weakening of the military power. Okay. The Delhi Sultanate was a military state. The Delhi Sultanate is obviously a military state, which could survive on the force. Only the force is there, only force fighting, that type of thing, and efficiency of its military organization. And the military organization was very, very strong at that time. But in the times of the weak rulers, the army ceased to be an instrument of force. The army ceased to be an instrument of force under the weak rulers. Weak successors. Number 5. The successors of Firoz Tughlaq were weak and incompetent. The successor of the Firoz Tughlaq also the weak personality and not very competent. They didn't have the capability to hold the empire together. So they didn't have the capability to hold the empire together. Now, during their rule, numerous rebellions took place which weakened the empire. During their rulers, during their rules, the rulers have the numerous rebellions took place which weakened the empire. So they didn't have the capability to hold the empire together, and during their rule, their numerous rebellions took place which weakened the empire. Now, next, invasion of Timur. The invasion of Timur dealt the final blow to the already tumbling empire. Timur, 1398 AD, he came and destroyed all the things. Taking advantage of the anarchy which prevailed during Timur's invasion, the provincial governors started freeing themselves from the control of the central authority. Some of them carved their own kingdoms. So they take the advantage of the anarchy. Okay, the process of disintegration had started in the time of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The process of disintegration had started in that time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and two religion powers that became independent in the South India also during Muhammad bin Tughlaq's time were the Bahmani and the Vijaynagar kingdoms. Now we will start the Vijaynagar kingdom.